In family medicine, long-term care goes far beyond routine follow-ups. Managing chronic illnesses, multimorbidity, and evolving clinical presentations demands strong judgment and confident decision-making. To support clinicians managing complex long-term patient care, SAM AI recommends a focused and comprehensive learning pathway. The Fellowship in Internal Medicine is designed to strengthen diagnostic accuracy, enhance clinical reasoning, and support evidence-based decision-making across a wide spectrum of conditions. The Fellowship equips physicians to approach complex cases with clarity and confidence. It enables structured thinking, integrated care planning, and better long-term patient outcomes, especially in diverse and demanding clinical settings like the Middle East. Experience the new Medvarsity, powered by AI, personalized learning,